Meet our dog. Super cute, super fluffy, and super destructive. My dog has destroyed my garden. Aside from the multiple holes he has dug up, he has also dug up roots from one of my apple trees. He's chewed and ripped off branches from one of my other apple trees. He has decided my raspberries are his personal chew toy and has eaten down most of the branches. My rhubarb was eaten before I even had a chance to grow. Basically, the chance to grow any veg in this garden with this critter is zero. With garden season coming soon, I need a plan to keep the dog out. Fortunately, a plan was already in place. Over the winter, I had designed a plan to increase my garden production. One of the things I needed to do this year was to include vertical space for beans and peas. So I'm integrating the two ideas. Keep the dog out, vertical space equals fence. It's a little drastic. Maybe not everybody will make this choice because it's basically cutting my yard in half. But I'm going to have a fun play space for the kids and a fun growing space for my veg. I didn't want the fence to be permanent in case we ever had to move it. So we just dug really deep holes for support. So that way if the dog pushes on it, he can't get through. On the west side of my garden, last year I just had open garden concept. We planted whatever we could fit in there. This year, however, I wanted to put new garden beds in there. But with the cost of wood, I couldn't do that. I had to come up with a plan that was more affordable. The new beds needed to be consistent with the original bed that was there. So I repeated the same wooden raised bed on the fence side and left it open on the other side. Plus the wood adds extra support for the fence. For the fence material, we looked around quite a bit. We actually had a different plan originally for what we would use for the fence, but we were given the gauge wire by some family and it ended up working really great. So the fence is all done. Just wanted to have a closer look at it. We have the gauge wire, the posts, they're all stained and ready to go. The gate here that we have is just a temporary gate. I will be building a custom gate for it. So here I am on the inside of the fence. We have the strawberry bins, the big raised bed, and then I have on this side the new bed from the west side that I was talking about. We did put the wood on the front here, but on the inside of the bed, I've just used the landscape ties to make a border. I don't know if you can see that, but it's rhubarb. It's coming back. I'm really excited about that. I thought that it was going to be gone. It's even coming back here as well. I'm going to have rhubarb. So my raspberries are coming back. There is a bud on one of them. Still have lots more to do on this project. I have a trellis to make, a few trellises to make actually, but a main one that's going to go over my walkway here, and still the garden to plant. So stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, like and subscribe quick before the beeping starts again. Now, do it now. Did you get it? Do not beep your truck right now.